side of the freeway. What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So today we're going to be installing, as you guys saw in the beginning of the video, we're going to be installing our brand new lip that I just purchased for the Q60. So I stopped by my mom's house and luckily another package came in. We got some new decals. We got some Instagram decals. I don't think you guys can see that. It's like this oil slick, like holographic color. It's pretty sick. I thought it would go, it's like a silver color with like blue tint in it. Thought it would look really nice with the white. So it's basically my name. You guys follow me on Instagram. You guys see all the content, whatever I buy, right before I even install it on YouTube. Still got that on that we haven't put on back on since we installed the day before. This is the lip. Hey guys, real quick. It's made of like a polyurethane. It's plastic, like flexible kind of plastic, not too flimsy. I bought it on eBay. I want to say it was like around around $100 bucks. The only thing that sucked about it is it did not come with any hardware, so I had to go to Walmart since since Home Depot was closed. I wasn't able to get self-tap screws, so I went with what I could use. It was just regular like screws and little nuts. So hopefully this does the job. It was only like 99 cents. It was like the only thing they had. And now we're just gonna be taking off the bumper and we're gonna be putting this on right now. Alright guys, so the lip is finally installed. It looks sick. Night time, but it's a good thing I got this light for my camera. So that's what it looks like. I'll probably get some more shots tomorrow in the daytime, just because it's night. Yeah, see you guys later. Fucking flew off. I just have the worst of luck ever owning a lip. Every lip I've ever owned just rips off.
I know.
It was funny because like I knew it. Like I was like, I should record this whole video, me going home, because I felt like it was gonna fucking rip off.
You should have had the GoPro.
But I was like, nah, fuck it. And I just hear it fucking get yanked. So I think I am done with getting lips from now on, unless like I'm like fucking zip tying it and literally doing everything I can to keep it on, because fuck that. So this video was a fucking waste, but you know, shit happens. Now I'm just gonna go home. Fuck this. So that's the bad luck I ran into, guys. So today's install was a complete waste of time. But honestly, I'm not even that mad about it, because I've honestly gone through, on my Genesis, I went through 3 lips. 2 of them flew off on the freeway. 1 of them stayed on a very, very long time, probably 1 or 2 years. And that one was reinforced heavily, which is probably why it stayed on for so long. As for this one, I was unable to find self-tap screws. That was my fault, and I should have known that, but I thought I could just fucking get some regular screws and pray for the best that it would work. Stupid idea, stupid of me. But yeah, stuff happens, guys, you know. So this is just one of those unfortunate cases where my lip just flew off. But stay tuned, because tomorrow I'm gonna be going somewhere to be installing something else. As well as, usually with lips, those aren't my strong suit, especially with this car, because this car has a bunch of things to get that I need to remove before I'm able to remove the bumper, and it frustrated me so much to the point where I was like, I'm I put everything back and I just jacked the car up, and I was just drilling holes into the bottom of the bumper to add the lip. So another bad on me, and taking a shortcut. Don't take shortcut, guys. Lesson of this video: do not take shortcuts. But other than that, I'm sticking to the power gains. Next mod list, or next thing that I want to add onto the car is new wheels. Those are gonna be coming real soon. I'm just waiting for the wheels that I want to come up, and I hope you guys like them because they're really sick. I also got springs that just came in, and let's see, yeah, we're gonna be working on some power mods, guys. Can't wait. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe, so we can hit that 500 subs. We're almost at 300. And yep, just give me a like, guys, just for that freaking lip flying off on the freeway, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out. Just like that, the lip was ripped off.
Boo-hoo.
Rest in peace.
R.I.P.